The Bomb's electric spin scrubber is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle tough grime effortlessly. With a motor speed of up to 400 RPM, this cordless scrubber provides deep cleaning action for various surfaces, making it ideal for bathrooms, showers, bathtubs, glass, and even cars. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads to accommodate different cleaning tasks and surfaces, while the 2-speed settings allow you to switch between gentle and aggressive scrubbing as needed. The device offers a work time of up to 90 minutes on a single charge, ensuring long-lasting performance for larger cleaning jobs. The adjustable size feature, with 3 customizable lengths, makes it easy to reach high or tight areas without strain, enhancing its convenience for everyday cleaning tasks. To achieve the best customer satisfaction with the Bomb's electric spin scrubber, focus on the ease of use and efficiency it provides. Highlight the durable battery life, as it eliminates the need for constant recharging during long cleaning sessions. For those looking to make their cleaning routine faster and more effective, this product is a game changer. Featuring an ergonomic, lightweight design, it reduces hand fatigue and minimizes the physical effort required for scrubbing. The variety of brush heads is another key feature, offering tailored cleaning for different surfaces like tiles, glass, and hard-to-reach corners. For YouTube content, a detailed demonstration of these features will help consumers understand why the Bombs is one of the best electric spin scrubbers available. The Liebane electric spin scrubber is an exceptional cordless cleaning tool designed to simplify even the most stubborn cleaning tasks around the home. Equipped with 8 replaceable brush heads, this power scrubber offers versatility to clean various surfaces such as bathroom tiles, tubs, floors, and even cars. The 360-degree rotating brush provides thorough scrubbing action, ensuring that dirt and grime are effectively removed from every angle. With dual-speed settings, you can adjust the scrubber to either a slower speed for delicate surfaces or a higher speed for more intensive cleaning. The adjustable and detachable handle adds extra convenience, allowing you to reach difficult areas like high bathroom tiles or under furniture without needing to bend or stretch. For optimal customer satisfaction, highlight the ease of use and ergonomic design of the Liebane electric spin scrubber in your YouTube video. Demonstrate how the adjustable handle and cordless functionality make cleaning more efficient and less physically taxing. Show viewers how the various brush heads cater to different surfaces and cleaning needs, from scrubbing soap scum off bathroom tiles to polishing kitchen floors. The long-lasting battery life ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, making it a practical solution for tackling large areas. Featuring its efficient 360-degree cleaning action, the Liebane scrubber truly stands out as one of the best electric scrubbers for cleaning. Through a visual demonstration, viewers can see how this tool transforms their cleaning routine, saving both time and effort. The Best Knifely electric spin scrubber is a top-tier cleaning tool that delivers powerful and efficient cleaning with minimal effort. Designed with IPX7 waterproof protection, this cordless handheld scrubber is perfect for wet environments like bathrooms, kitchens, and sinks. It features a user-friendly LED display, which keeps you informed about battery levels and operation modes, ensuring you never run out of power mid-task. Equipped with 7 replaceable brush heads, this scrubber is versatile enough to tackle a wide range of cleaning needs, from scrubbing kitchen tiles and tubs to cleaning sinks and countertops. Its ergonomic design and compact size make it easy to handle, while the strong motor provides consistent power to remove grime and dirt effectively. For maximum customer satisfaction, emphasize the convenience and adaptability of the Best Knifely electric spin scrubber in your YouTube video. Showcase how the scrubber's waterproof design allows for safe and effective use in damp areas, such as cleaning shower tiles or bathroom sinks. Demonstrate how the various brush heads can be quickly swapped to handle different tasks, making it a one-stop solution for a range of cleaning challenges. Viewers will appreciate how the cordless feature adds to its mobility and flexibility, allowing them to clean hard-to-reach areas without being tethered to a power outlet. With its powerful performance, ease of use, and multiple brush heads, the Best Knifely is easily one of the best electric scrubbers for cleaning, and a detailed video review will highlight why. The Dankari Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Featuring a dual-speed motor, this scrubber allows users to choose between a gentler or more intense cleaning mode depending on the surface and level of grime. With speeds capable of handling dirt, soap scum, and tough stains, the Dankari scrubber is ideal for cleaning bathtubs, grout, tiles, and floors. The LED display provides useful real-time information on battery levels, ensuring that you know exactly when it's time to recharge. With up to 2 hours of continuous cleaning time on a single charge, this scrubber is built for larger cleaning tasks, while the 6 replaceable scrubber heads make it versatile enough to clean various surfaces and areas in your home. For maximum customer satisfaction, emphasize the convenience and power of the Dankari Electric Spin Scrubber in your YouTube video. Show viewers how easy it is to switch between the different 6 scrubber heads, catering to everything from tile grout to large bathroom floors. Highlight the dual-speed settings, demonstrating how they provide flexibility when cleaning different surfaces or tackling more stubborn dirt. The LED display can be a standout feature as it adds a modern touch to the product by keeping users informed about battery life and cleaning modes. The scrubber's ability to run for up to 2 hours on a single charge makes it ideal for extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. With its combination of power, convenience, and modern features, the Dankari scrubber stands out as one of the best electric scrubbers for cleaning, and a video showcasing its functionality will help potential buyers understand its value for everyday home cleaning. The Jorking Electric Spin Scrubber is an innovative and powerful cleaning tool designed to handle even the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. With an impressive motor speed of up to 420 revolutions per minute, this cordless scrubber offers powerful and efficient cleaning for a variety of surfaces, including bathtubs, tiles, and floors. It comes with 8 types of replaceable brush heads, ensuring that you have the right tool for any cleaning task. From scrubbing tight corners in the bathroom to tackling wide floor surfaces, this scrubber is designed for versatility. One unique feature of the Jorking scrubber is its voice broadcast system, which provides real-time updates and reminders during use, enhancing the user experience by making it more interactive and intuitive. To ensure customer satisfaction, focus on the scrubber's power, convenience, and versatility in your YouTube video. Highlight how the 420 RPM motor helps remove stubborn dirt and grime quickly, saving users both time and effort. Show viewers how the 8 different brush heads can be easily swapped to handle various cleaning tasks around the home, making this tool an all-in-one solution. The cordless design allows for greater mobility, enabling users to clean without the hassle of managing cords or finding nearby outlets. Demonstrating the voice broadcast feature will add a fun, futuristic element, making it stand out among other scrubbers. With its high-powered performance, wide range of accessories, and user-friendly features, the Jorking scrubber is undoubtedly one of the best electric scrubbers for cleaning, and a detailed demonstration will help convey its benefits effectively to potential buyers.